Okay. Right. Hello, Speedy Wolf. Hello, Mr. Fogg. Yeah, I overhauled the entire crane script off stream. It's still an unruly mess in the code, but it's slightly less of an unruly mess in the code now. I'm not sure if it fixed any of the bugs. But it looks good. It doesn't seem to have like new bugs at the very least. Cool. Have you read about the reset progress thing a couple weeks ago, or did you already know about it? Could you reiterate? I have read about it, but I don't remember the details. This is what I wanted to do. I think I'm gonna have to overhaul the entire autosave thing anyway. Okay, so the cranes are done. Let me push that. Well, done. I commented this out. Let me push it first before I do anything else. Matasa, commit, settings, whatever. Don't those yet. Yeah, crane. None of this yet. Cranes overhauled completely. Commit and push. Empty box. Found a new bug that can save time. You spam reset progress until you get a freebie. When a crane picks up this freebie, you spam reset progress again until you get a boat or a plane. The crane will deliver the boat or plane and you can continue playing normally then. Eventually you will get the freebie again and it will get delivered too. Yeah, that might be the same as the thing I had where it just delivered a plane when I drove it into the drink. Just for no reason. I'm gonna have to hunt that bug down. I don't know what caused it. I looked at it already. I just deliver this vehicle just for recreation. But yeah, thanks for reporting it again. I did read that, but didn't remember the details. I wanted to do something about this thing. At least exploring that book in full experience wouldn't be that much of a problem. Would barely save a yeah, it would not be worth the time loss, right, from the RNG. You would have to actually grind resets. But it's still the thing that I said earlier where I just fly my plane into the water and it counted as delivered. That was weird. Alright, I don't need this anymore. The unruly crane code. It's still unruly, but I need to tear this apart. This is really like Terra portable in multiple functions now. I've made it one function now because just my workflow works like that, but it's really easy to split this up now, so that's not an issue anymore. So this is big. I'm not even sure if you can read it. I don't really care, but big plane delivery. That's weird. This is all just variables. Player stopped in marker. I overhauled this code as well. I'm spectating, blah 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 blah. So I need, maybe I should find a more hard way of detecting if players are spectating rather than just check their Z. Now you read your thing again. You can save time and the rest touch you to read. Yeah, you get the freebie. And the crane picks up the freebie. You spam again until you get a boat or a plane. The crane will deliver the boat or plane and you can continue playing normally then. Okay, interesting. Big plane delivery. I did not look at the big plane delivery. What is car delivering? Does it even get set still? Yes, it does. Yeah, maybe even. Big plane delivery. Check if we're in the vehicle. Blah 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 blah. This should probably just be called in here. You dead? You dead? He glitched the crane. More for later. Oh, and that doesn't work anymore, I don't think. Yeah, it checks crane state now for deliveries, but I no longer use the crane state. Well, I use crane state, but it no longer counts from 1 to 100. Crane state would be assisting sleeping, probably. Crane 2 state doesn't exist anyway. Crane state 2. So that's rough, like to use a crane state. It could work. Yeah, I see how this... I could just try it, see what happens, but I don't like it. Don't care about that. That's really dirty. Trigger server event. If okay, this delivers from crane. Deliver because we use the crane to drop us off. And then this checks for when you plop it in. I use a slightly bigger hitbox, I think. Yeah, delivering big plane. God mode region plane. Annoying. Set developer mode true. Set development mode. Show call. This is the this is the probably just be having a flag that you can't deliver stuff while it's set and have it set for like half a second during response. That is not a bad idea, yeah. I have contacted Ratloff, Mr. Folk. He knows the race is happening. I only told him today that I'm making an update. To which he hasn't responded yet. Hello, Fikert. Thank you, thank you. Okay, so if I plop the ad in this green box, it should do something different. This ramp is also currently embugged. Interesting. Also, hi Stalking Who? I did patch a fix that should make this slightly easier. Did that count? Not sure, I don't think it did. Cheat next. Yeah, bind. Okay, cheat next. And unbind J, cheat pref. We can try with this first. Right, I have yeah. My favorite cheat? Cheat next is pretty good. I like cheat spectate though, because it lets you see the fancy camera angles. Delivering big plane. Oops. Well, this is definitely the most useful cheat. Let's test this actually. Cheat T, yeah, I figured, yeah. Cheat T POP. This thing is slow. These cranes are an excellent toilet break. I wanted to organize a race where people could submit their vehicle orders beforehand, instead of randomizing it per player. And have like, I mean, it wouldn't matter much, but have some sort of strategy. I know what my strategy would be. Like these cranes would be good. Aha, 139 in crane client. Right, and tray, yeah, I figured it was this. And I have the same mistake here. Let's tidy that up. Yeah, math apps through. Nice color scheme. Yeah, group some. I wouldn't group all the freebies. I would probably do a bunch of freebies like right at the start to give me an early lead for like a morale boost. And then like do all the terrible vehicles. And occasionally throw in a boat followed by a freebie. Just so I get like a toilet break or something. Like that would be go somewhere in the middle. And then at the end, at the very end, I would do all the sports cars. All the fast stuff. The bikes. The BF would go early though. Okay, that's easier. Should be easier anyway. Calculate it. Do you tape down the W key during the break? That wouldn't be neat because it's a freebie. Yeah, that's still broken because I haven't restarted it. That takes so long, but I guess it's like me using a cheat. I'll have to test that normally. Whoa. That's interesting. I'll have to look at these trailers more. In fact, I want to do that real quick right now. Because I know exactly it's on my mind now. This one. This value. If local crane 2 move into position speed. That's a terrible variable name. Is 1. If where do I store whether something is a boat? Here still. I want boats only, but not all the other stuff. Doesn't exist. I guess trailers. I can check for trailers. Yeah, trailers. If trailers Vehicle model, I believe. Vehicle model. Then I wanna do crane 2. Move into position speed is 0.5. There needs to be a run where that would be an actual strat DLC to get your toilet break in. No, Ethan. No, I need to clean this up because, like, it. These are not boats. But yeah, I haven't gotten around to that yet. There is a funny Venn diagram somewhere out there that is just like boats and then trailers, like just all the circles within each other. How many freebies are there? Pure freebies are these. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 freebies, and Utiltre isn't really a freebie. I mean, it is a freebie, but it's faster to not freebie it. So that is 12 freebies. Oh. Maybe, Ethan, maybe. Although I wouldn't want it to... I'm not sure how it would treat the vortex. But yeah, maybe you're right. Let's find my ad. Yeah, it's a lot actually. Bunch of trains and a bunch of trailers. 6 trains, 6 trailers. It would be good to know that amount so you could keep count. No. Yeah, that is possible, yeah. Although the freebies are not necessarily fast. I feel like something like the Buffalo would probably be quicker than many of the freebies. Because some of these cranes are slow, especially if you have to use both of them. Even the train one that spawns on the other end of the chimneys and it has to go all the way around. Also, the ramps disappeared. Yeah, it is even. I'm currently testing how easy it is, because it should be slightly easier than last time, but I'm not really sure what knowledge I'm trying to gain. Actually, we'll see. I'm gonna do it now. And as soon as you see the message, that might be my reference points to slow down. Flop. Yeah, it's still tight. And if it blows up, let's look at the thing again, the code. And we got it on delivering big plane. Is element with a cold shape. Get element attached to not to a crane. Get element velocity. Yeah, so it checks for velocity in the end. But that could be... There is a strat, I think, where you could just fly into the wall and insta-deliver it. Which ideally wouldn't do that. Beep 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 beep. Also, I might change the weather to be the one that lets you see further. Not sure which weather that is. I'll take a look. I think I can check the admin panel for that. Nah. This should be fine. Yeah. Yeah, see, this is such a big difference in draw distance. Just a blue sky. Like maybe weather 3. Because that's what bothered me a lot. Like you just couldn't see at night. This will be slightly more bearable. And it'll look prettier too. I think I'll do that. This is loud. Three looks the best so far. Ooh, I like this one too. Number 7. Not sure how it would look during the day. And then this is... So it's between 3 and 7. 7 is further. Just let people see, you know? That's the one I meant. I'm not sure if it's the latest. Also a nice Predator. Ooh, that's bright. Yeah, I like this. Let me check out 3. Yeah. And then 0. 0. 7 is best. 0 sucks during night, 3 sucks during day. And 7 lets you just see. This is what you want when taking snapshots as well during 555. Should make like plane approaches easier as well, because you can see where you're going. Yeah, let me change that right now. Seven. Yeah, so you can see the factory from here. Should make things a lot easier, not only for me, but just for newbies as well. Plus you get like a good look of the cranes, and I want people to see the cranes. Yeah. That's risky, but pays off. I'm sure there's a reference point for that. I'll leave that now. The ramp is broken though. And that's because of at tutorial shown. Yeah, so I wanna take this out and paste it here. If the tutorial hasn't been shown, then show the tutorial. But we would still want to do the assists even though the tutorial has already been shown. And here, this should be fine, alright? What did I do wrong here? What? Reset delivery area. Big plane delivery. What? Update target. Player dead. It doesn't get called at the race start. Okay, let's restart the race. Similar to Lua, any good way to get started as a C++ and Python dev? I mean, I started with Lua pretty much. Lua and the weird SEM code from GTA Vice City. And then I learned C#. It's a good way to start, although if you have a goal set to go to C++ or Python, I think you should just start with that. Maybe not C++, I don't know. What was I going to test? Planes. The I was going to test the ramp, that's it. Yeah, so this is here. Disable this. Very unique. Mm-hmm. Stop that. Interesting. Okay, collisions default to false, it seems. Every collision defaults to false. But I would want 9 to be false. Oh, actually, yes. This is all good. Alright. But this should now disappear. It just doesn't get called on the first go around. Yeah. Walking, pointing. There's a big delay between it grabbing me and between it raising me up. Lower safely too might be broken still. I'll have to look at it. It's been 10 years since I played MTA. Really cool to see how the servers are made. What happy people like you bring to us. Cheers. Thank you for the kind words, Beta 2 Lord. If you're interested, we are organizing a giant race on the 16th of December, Saturday. Next week Saturday. Where we will deliver every single vehicle, 212, you can see in the bottom right corner, to this factory. It's a super fun race, everyone loves it. And it'll be a lot of fun if you're interested in getting into the game again. I haven't made a promo poster yet. Someone linked the promo poster I made for the very first one. Yeah, it's a good endurance race. Did you try out the reset? I haven't tried it yet, no. Yeah, no worries, Beta 2 Lords. What was I doing? Oh yeah, the safe drop. Let me just make a note. And drop to broken trains. The other one is probably broken too then. Come on. Give me a small plane. Train was ill prepared. Alright. Whoa! Alright, yeah, it's not quite working yet. Where are we going now? Yeah. Yeah. I guess I should get on that. What was the other thing? The outramps. Oh yeah, I need to just call that at the start of the race. Wherever that is. Game start. Init cranes, reset delivery area. This is the very race start. I would ideally do it, yeah, game start. Yeah. Alright, so we're going back to the cranes. You're assisting, we are attached to... Oh, come on. Hook up. Rotate. So the hooks are clipping into the ground. I must have done an incorrect value somewhere. Oh, I guess this crane was trying to hook into... Lower safely 1. And then it just... yeah, okay, so I don't think it detaches me or something. Detach? It does detach me. I'm guessing it attaches me straight away again. But it doesn't say hooking. It also didn't say, so it never did detach me. What's the last thing we got? Lower safely 1. Hook forward. Boat attached. Why does it say that? No, that's just a check. Don't need that. Okay, okay. I do a check to see, just a generic check to see whether we're on a hook. What's crane 2 up to? 1, and I think that's, but why am I do a generic check, but we never do get, we just lower safely 1 and then we turn away. It doesn't say why we turn away, except for this one. But why does it get set to sleeping then? Sure, we'll just go this way. I was ill prepared. I need to do something about that. Rotate. Move forward. Hook forward, I believe. Hook forward. Lower safely 1. And then it just... is that just like a decorative? But it always goes to the same place. This is the boat preparation thing. Yeah. This is still an unruly function. Rotate the crane for fun. No, we are... crane stage waiting for boat. And boats was everything, right? Yeah, okay. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna do the epic thing called print something every frame. Waiting for boat. Trying to set assist. Oh, that's interesting. Few bugs still, but also the crane just didn't start moving. Assisting and waiting for boat. Why are we going straight from assist to waiting for boat? Because of this. Boat crane movement. Yeah, because we hit a trigger that causes the crane to do the thing. Right. Do we need this? Crane detect approaching boat? Yes, but... only if it's... because we already get set, so... or... right, I see. So just available. And then... we also want to rotate this. Okay, and this if the crane state is available or the crane state is waiting for boat, then we rotate the crane and not otherwise. And we only do the error message when we weren't waiting for a boat. Okay, that should fix something. Hello, Dash Cliché. Maybe not that actually that works. Did something? Oh, the leaderboards. Oh, better hurry up there, Crane 2. Doesn't look like you're ready yet. I'll be. So this is still a thing. Okay. That's still a thing. You're right, and I know why. Because it uses the position of the hook instead of the position of the rope. Lower safely. Because move hook uses the rope But we're also using the rope. Yeah, first off, get rid of that. And also that. And we can get rid of that. If this is 35, then we're greater than 0. We're lowering to a number. Okay, let me just print our Zulu. Available, ready to mingle. Oh, you don't look very ready there, Crane. Pointing, hook up. Our Zulu, we are at 34. $40.10. Okay, we're no longer getting spammed. But that checks out. This is 1600 by 900. Else detach. But it's doing lower safely. $10.5. Oh, I see. I don't want to math apps this. I just want to do that. And then also for the other one, I think. Yeah, because I just want to check if it's above it. Right, okay, don't math apps that. $1,600 by 900 is a pretty good resolution because it's just the aspect ratio times 100. I can't wait until we have resolutions of 16,000 by 9,000. Then that will be another good one. Yeah, it's difficult to deal with all the UI stuff when that is different. I might just have to move it somewhere else. Maybe just to the bottom left where the debug information is. Am I, Jonathan? Okay, that's the thing. That worked now. It works! Ah. Right, this needs to be more than that. This needs to be 14. And move that, this needs to be 13.5. Yeah, Speedy Fov got it. I just haven't made it so it shows the vehicle names yet. Oh yeah, that was a much requested feature that I will add. And that's why it's in the bottom right, because that's where it is in single player. But yeah, and people have the speedometer there as well. So I think I'll put it in the bottom left where the debug information is. It'll be on top of that, which will be a bit annoying for me, but I don't plan on having the W's there like all the time, just when you get into the vehicle, like in single player. So it shouldn't be too bad. Also, I like how that rope is just a metal rod. I don't really even know what that is for. And I need to test this with the AT as well. That might still be too low. Yeah, the crane moves out of the way nicely. Alright. That's what I wanted to test with the janky hand-in thing. Which works, but it's janky, right? Let's test that with the AT. An AT, please. This is most certainly not a stratum that I selected. Now I need to do the thing where I land this somewhere where the crane can reach me. Also the trees. Classic GTA issue. That's something that I hope they do well in GTA 6. Although I don't think that was an issue in GTA 5, so it's fine. It's okay, my child. It's okay. Are they? Yeah, that would work. I'm guessing it's game mode dependent. Wouldn't surprise me if on any other game mode it just doesn't show up at all. Like on capture the vehicle or stuff like that. Please load the trees in this area, game. Ugh. This is the first time I test this with an at. Alright. Good. Enough, I guess, I hope. Maybe I'll have to move the hook further down the crane, but... Good for now. Someone test that for me. People need to test that and come up with opinions. I'm biased, I don't know what to do with that. Yeah, Jonathan. And then that just leaves the trains. Okay. See, there's a long delay there. Pointing. Hooking. Pointing. Why is there such a long delay between hooking and pointing? Not pointing. Hooking. What is it doing in that time? Nice hooking. Hooking. Train ID, this is not called. Hooking. I think it's missing a return. It does this and then it does this with pointing, so just plop a return in there. Yeah, and that's why I wanted to split this into multiple things. So that I can use return, but this is all an else if anyway, so it should be fine. That's not what I wanted to do. MTA visual settings. This. Did remind me though. I wanted to set that back to nicely. HTTP. You'll have to do the translations yourself and make a screenshot. Let me know if you missed the screenshot so I can show it again instead of having you dig through the VOD. I just want to get a train. That looks better. That's speedy now. Bloop. Just straight to the point. Just get a train. Yeah. Good. No delay. These cranes are already slow enough as it is. Oh yeah, look at this. This train is slow. I mean, it's still faster than a buffalo, but... yeah, these are probably the quickest. Maybe the trailers wouldn't be. Some of the trailers are really slow. Oh, and then I have to move this. But I think those are good now. Yeah, exactly, man. That is nice. It's still short for a toilet break. I have it on Turkish. I was learning Turkish a long time ago. I set my game to Turkish because of that. But the language is too difficult. So I changed to Spanish for most other... but I still put it on Turkish where available. Alright, these cranes are good now. The ramp looks good, but we need to test it for the AT reel. That's why if I get to choose the order myself, I would put a freebie right after a boat just to buy myself extra time. I would probably only need like one such freebie for a toilet break. The others, like just the boats, would do. Okay. The dirt pile is visible from a distance. The ramp. I mean, it's more visible. That's fine. The dirt pile is really visible. I'll accept it. Ooh. Oh no, he died. Oops, wrong button. No, Türkçe bilmiyorum. I know kaplumba, which means turtle, or tortoise, maybe both. And I know baykush, which is an owl. I might set the threshold lower for that, or higher, I guess. The speed threshold. I'm gonna do the epic thing where I output to console every frame again. We were working in import-export client still. And it's a top function. Big plane delivery. I print shitty velocity. What else do I know? In Turkish. I know those two words stuck with me. Kaplumba and baykush. Kırmızı is red. I need an at. see. Most of that will be fine. Maybe I'll change it to... What is it currently? 0001. Maybe I'll change it to 001. That would make it 10 times easier. These... Maybe like 002 even. Let's change it to 001 first. It's making current song again. It's being blocked now, isn't it? This is... Where does it say what this is in Winamp? It's... Doesn't say. I have to actually hunt down the file. D... Repository, stream resources, text, Winamp, ulog now. In-game 1. From the Dungeon Keeper 2 soundtrack. Composer, Mark Knight. Okay, the cranes work. The ramps seem to work. Let's do a push. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, 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 wah. I'm still don't like the delivery being just based on the crane sleeping. I guess it works. I also don't know like what would be an efficient way of doing it otherwise, other than whatever. And we don't need to iPrint city velocity. Oh yeah, I wanted to test city velocity being changed now. Let's get on that. This is Ando. Actually, I may test the Ando. When does that get caught again? I don't remember. I think that only happens when you spawn in as a train. Which makes sense, because as a train you kind of surprise the crane. Because like suddenly you're there and the crane is like, whoa dude, it was just chilling. That's fine. Yeah, GTPOP also, yeah. Still don't understand why. That was nice. Let's get the at. And that was a beagle, I think. Somehow. I already took a ton of damage straight out of the hangar. Yeah, okay, I like this. This is fine. You can see it pop in, but... yeah. That still killed me. It should be easier to at least use the ramp now. Let's test that actually instead of the plop. The plop is advanced. And I probably want to do the thing, a little thing actually. Do that next. Yeah, I like that. That's really easy now. It's maybe a little too easy, but I'm gonna chalk that up to me just being pro gamer. That's probably fine. Things are always like easier as the creator, you know, so that's probably fine. You gotta humanize your anthropomorphize your stuff. Right, don't do that. I saw a function earlier. MTA. This function sets a custom lot distance for any object, blah 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 blah. This is the distance at which objects of that model ID are switched to the lot model. Oh, never mind. Or if there is no lot model, become invisible. That's still useful, but I think I've already done that, didn't I? Yeah, and 300 is a maximum. There is a general draw distance limit of 300 units. No matter what, therefore I realize it's really important the engine should not be set to anything greater than 170. Yeah, okay, this is a useless function. What is lot doubler? Oh, this is map editor scripting extension. Yeah, okay, never mind. Pop. Give them googly eyes. Paint. Pasta. Brushes. How do you scroll sideways and paint? Oops. In my Discord? I have posted an image. You are in my Discord, you can look it up. That would be cool, actually. Also super creepy if you make them follow you. Yeah, googly eyes are great. You can make anything good with that. Like the people who just put it on the Roombas and all that. I mean, these are just paint googly eyes, but It should be. Yes. Is this pole here in single player as well? We drive kinda by here, but not close to this pole. Yeah, I mean it's like you can see these from really far away already. I would just want to make them further because further is better. Like these things probably have like an actual proper lot model. Yeah, look at this, is pretty far already. It's just it's fine. Like it's only really noticeable when you approach with a plane now, so it's fine. Looks cool though. I'm really proud of how these look. Just with the cranes, the rotating. Just gonna smack the chimneys. It's really hard to tell how far away it is from the chimneys because, like, 2D display. I just like looking at it. Let's wait for another rotation. There we go. Oh, it's hauling. Oh, it's going. It's so good, I love it. Spent so long getting these to work, and also having to do rotational calculations and all that, and dealing with like going beyond 360 degrees. It's fairly simple in the end, but it took me a while to figure out. What was that cheat? Oh, some plane. This one. Especially when the crane in front like turns towards you. I carefully selected this camera angle. Here it comes. I love it, it's so good. I thought it would go underneath the camera, but yeah, we just put the camera at the same height as the bar and then just ever so slightly far enough that it doesn't clip through it. I love it. The hook is will clip through the buildings. I never bothered with the hook. But that's fine. That is fine. Alright, let's get back to work. I guess I'll get those W's working. And I guess, yeah, I'll have to look at the delivery code. Function set crane boat state. This is no longer used. Off of here. Repair vehicle on crane. Sure. I can stay here for the time being. Play go sound. Intro cutscene is fine. Game start. This is just prep. This is more like map start. I think this is fine. Or not. This only gets called once. Oh my god, this is still a mess. Plane delivery. Where's the code that deals with update target, I believe? What checkpoints? Just. Autosave needs work. That's pretty important actually. Don't feel like doing that today though. Oh, the heli blades. Oh, weird in this game. That's just super broken. Well, not broken, but like the client, they're not. You can't really disable them. Client. What I'm not trying to say. We can disable them, but like it's all or nothing. I guess if I just not very clean. Okay. This goes here. Not very clean. Beep beep boop boop beep 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 beep. Not sure what we went with, but I'm sure it's fine. Hey. Go in, please. Reset yet? Oh, it kinda works. This is client side, right? It's just weird because if multiple people spawn in a helicopter at the same time and the blades aren't spinning it, you never will. It's weird. Yeah, really weird. Let's look at those W's. In order to look at those W's, I need to look at update target. Because this is what deals with... Reset delivery area, collect checkpoint. Current target is new. What is new? Let's just calculate it. Aha. If the new target is one greater than our current target, then our current target is the... What? Oh, it's greater than. Okay. Yeah, never mind. This is for the autosave, right? Auto load. Right. Otherwise... I guess this is for reset progress. Wouldn't it just be better to just set it to new -1 regardless? Collect checkpoints. I guess here we do the thing, whatever. But then here we do the thing any... I guess... Yeah, we want to collect the check... Okay, fine... Let's say this is 30... 29... I don't understand this code that I wrote. If new is still at 12, new is I guess like fine. We get the checkpoints up until 211. That checks out. Right. Fine, yeah. You could probably just set this regardless, but fine. Probably I would want to do collect checkpoints, play a current target for like multiple suicidados in a row. Just so the number doesn't decrease, because it confused people. And then there's an issue where you could like kill yourself really quickly. And it would award you. It's weird. Let's look at the server. Oh boy, this has been commented out for years. Let's leave it be for the time being. Fine. What does this do? Right. Finish this. Attach it into a table. Yeah. Go back, play a serial. Fine. Teleport to next. Okay, hold on. When are we calling update target? Cheats. And update progress. Oh wow. When are we calling update progress? When we deliver. Delivering back plane, delivering plane due to crane state 2 is sleeping. And here I want to also output console, I guess. Delivering vehicle. Sure. This is cut content. Handle vehicle damage. Off of ya. Yeah. Okay. Update we progress plus targets plus 1. So this sometimes happens when it shouldn't, but I'm so confused because it must be the big plane delivery. This checks if we're in a marker. We always return out if you're attached to a crane, do nothing, return out. This is probably something I should use for the spectator thing, actually. Let me look that up real quick. Matasa race game mode. Resource race. Race dot finished. Heading for racer rank, race finished. Doesn't state like the spectate status. Didn't Josh make something for that I could steal? His antisocial simulator, which I don't have. You might see it, probably. It was whatever your AFK detector. No, not your edit of the race game mode that would cancel out the race if there's people in spectate mode. That's probably just a pull request, right, on their GitHub. I could look up pull requests or an issue. Joshimus. Bye, Joshimus. Spectate. Race game mode. End map when only spectators are left by Joshimus. I remember this. On client request, I've added a... Oh, you weren't happy with it. No, it was an issue. You didn't make a pull request. It seems that the key to implementing this relies around get, but there is a state in the... Oh, it says I'm alive, so the state isn't even reliable, but... There is a state in here that says spectating. I think I broke the state though when I updated my race game mode. But like, if I... Anyway, that. On client, request spectate. Let me look at the race thing. The repositories, MTA maps, server, resources, modified resources, race. Race open in a code. You can't see this, but it's fine. On client request spec date. You do something. Spectator starts. Set player status. Get player status then. Get player status. Matasa. Okay, that's a thing for a race game mode. Function set player status. Set element data. Status 1 and status 2. Player status 1, status 2. If not, status is blah blah blah. Status. Okay. I'm gonna do the epic thing called printing something every frame. And we're gonna do that on Crane Timer Trick. Crane Timer Trick isn't run every frame, but same shit. I print get element data local player status 2, and it is get element data, right? Right? No. Get element data. Someone urged merge to pull request that does this. Oh. Oh. What did he do? And map blah blah blah. I made a setting. Very good. Always make a setting. Although I don't know why anyone would make this a false setting, but... How does it check? Oh yeah, it does what you proposed, I think. It just adds an active player count. Yeah. Okay, I don't feel like doing that just for this map. I'm gonna continue what I was doing. Inherit, so it should go up. Okay, I have this. I'm gonna do the epic thing called printing something every frame. A lot of ink. It's not printing anything. Status 1. Race game mode is broken. Not ready. Hey, so it's status 1 apparently for some reason. Alive. The thing is, like, it doesn't go into spectating. Is that just this race? Well, now it doesn't the thing, but I can check anyway. I guess I must have broken it in... yeah, now it says dead. But that says spectating, right? In like other servers. What IP is this? Babylon. Okay, this is the Lego One server, I think. Yeah, it just was helpful. Okay, this is not the Lego One server, but it doesn't matter. Spectating. Yeah, okay, so it's just my my thing that is broken. Get element data. I still don't know what the difference between status 1 and status 2 is. Local status is blah blah blah, if not status. State. Status. I can do state. Because that's what it says in the... map. What's it called? What's my file format? New race. Superfly. Debug script 3. Yes, state. Oh look, now I'm spectating. Okay, oh well. Let's go again. Yes. Okay, we can use this information as well to fix an issue where if you go into spectate mode during a crane thing, it would flip out. And this is crane timer. And this is I think this goes in crane timer tick, which is big. Crane init, move hook, attach hook, finalize crane hookment. Yeah, if players go into spectate mode, I just need to drop them from the crane. That's really it. Player stopped in marker. Or. And this is client, so that works. Get element data. This is spectating. Then ignore. But I also wanna check for this in the actual crane and drop them. Drop them if they do Crane client. And we're just gonna plop this in crane time attack. The crane is currently busy rotating. Wait. No, we wanna do this at the very start. This can move to the top. Yes. If do I need to check even? Yes. If this, then drop the player from the crane. Detach elements, not the rope, the vehicle. I'm lost in my own code. It's a good sign. Detach elements, vehicle. And I want to do that at any time. But only if the vehicle is actually attached. And I did a check for that as well up here. Get element in this. And that's a beefy if statement. Where did you learn coding? Self-taught a little bit in uni, but negligible. Although it did teach me a few. It taught me what I learned what a modulo is in uni. That's like the most useful thing I've learned in there, I think. Plus a few. No, that's it really. I just learned what modulo is. This should do the trick, or it will throw a bunch of errors. Spectating. I'm not spectating, but if it would, hold on. No. Well, I'm speeding for, sorry. I'm just testing, okay? I could have just asked you to leave. I don't know what's up with that, but yeah, okay, it's fine. I'm sure it works, right? It will work. I'll throw in my old race game mode in the future. Let's get those W's working. Car blurb. Car blurb. Player stopped in marker, that's fine. I'll have to tear that into a new script file at some point. I still don't know what would cause that one bug. I put a bunch of like console logs in. That's the only thing I can do, but I'm not sure if I can have that bug fixed because I don't know what causes it. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to throw it in production, and then when someone runs into the bug, tell them like, hey, I made this thing, can you look at it? Teleport. Teleport to next is done server side. Oh, here's a teleport to next. Oh, that's... Everything is done server side. It's a bit annoying. Trigger client event. Update target. Where does it pick what my vehicle is? That's also server side, I think. Teleport to next. Teleport to next. There's a lot more than teleporting, by the way. Nice one, Lord Mo. Also, hi, Jaman. And the Rasvan as well. Get our destination. That's all stored in here. Yes, sure. Chosen cars. Shuffled indices per player. Player progress. Yeah, good. Good. Local vehicle is get blah 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 blah. Set element model. Does this call something like an on element model changed? That's a set element model element on element model change. It exists. Oh, it's server side. Okay. So in that case, I'll just send the thing along with the. Where is it? Vehicles with guns. It's a alpha target. Oh yeah, I did the fancy like fade-in thing, right? Yeah, look at that. Oh man. So I play go sound. Update target. Okay. 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 Cheat skip. Yeah, blah 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 blah. What's this? Shovel cars 1? What the fuck is shovel cars 1? A word for later. Both of these call teleport to next. So I can just dump trigger client event, blah 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 blah. Dump it into teleport to next. Alright. Teleport updates. Ah, I see. This doesn't do teleport to next. But that's fine. That is different though. Hold on. Go back here real quick. What is progress? Sure. 。  . 。  . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 。 . 。 。 。 。 。 。
Sure.
I guess. I guess this will work, because teleport next is gonna run and then... Okay, we don't need to do that. We'll just do it like this. Just need to fucking... I hate this so much. Alright. When we update our progress... But also when we respawn. When we update our progress... Okay, let me explain what I'm worried about. The server does two things, two relevant things. One, it changes our vehicle. Two, it tells us that we have... it tells us that we're on the next checkpoint. When we reach the next, like, checkpoint, I want to show in the bottom right screen, I want to show the vehicle name. So you'd think I could just get the vehicle name client side of our current vehicle, but the server changes the vehicle separately from it telling us that we moved on. So what if a client then takes that and moves on before the vehicle is changed on the client side, and then it's like, oh, I'm gonna display the previous vehicle instead. Unless I just throw it in a timer. Should I just do... I don't know how to do this. What's a good way of doing this? You get a freebie and you reach... Yeah, I heard of that bug, Jamon. Whatever, we'll just make it the simple way. If it breaks, we'll deal with it then. If it doesn't break, we will not need to deal with it. Not that I'll be able to test that with my 5 ping. In import export client, sure. And whenever we respawn, player dead on reset delivery area, I guess. Not really, but... Let's just throw it in here, we'll clean it up later. We're not gonna clean it up. 2? Is it 2? Yeah, it's 2 in this. It's 5 in Source Games, I think, or whatever it was. Something else. Gary's mod. I think it's 5 in our tournament. But yeah, whatever. That. Car blurb is. We need a local car name is. Okay, and how do we get a car name? And I want the name, not the number. And I want the proper name, not the butchered name. This one. I see vehicle IDs to see what values or return names. No. I want to sample it. Well, we'll just see. Model. Get element model Wel. Cobbler is koning. Easy. Oops. I'm so sorry, Spinny Pop. I wanted to restart the map, not kick you out. Yeah, it already doesn't work properly. Let's just let it go. I might just have to put it on a timer that checks it every time it changes. Okay. Freight train flat. Okay. Maybe it just doesn't work on the first one. Because reset delivery area isn't called on the first one. So let's just call it on the first one. And when is the first one? Pre-race, init cranes, blah 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 blah. Did we start yet? Intro cutscene. Let's just handle it like that. Game starts. That's actually like the pre-cutscene start. Update target. Is this called? Check DM real quick. Visual. Ooh. I think I got this earlier a lot more, but then I lost it when my Windows. But yeah, I'll not mess up with that now. But yeah, thank you. Yeah, so it doesn't the thing on the first one. Set delivery area, update target doesn't. Cutscene. Cutscene length in seconds. But yeah, I don't think I have it now. Shuffle cars 1. That's on a new journey. Race stage change, set timer. Start game. This one. Shuffle cars all. Okay. Oh, the one is the player count, not the car count. Okay, now it makes sense. But I still wanna shuffle cars all. Yeah, okay. I can still toss this, I think. I haven't read what it is. There's a hole at gray inputs. Nice. Nice. That's a big hole. Is that always there? I didn't do anything with the map. Blah 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 blah. We've shuffled the cars. Shuffle cars 1. This is where the actual shuffling happens, I think. This place is not new. Nice flip. Yes. If you, yeah, okay, yeah. Right, I see. So is there a harm if I just do update target at the start of the race? Who's update target? Who's player progress? I mean, that would be 0 for everybody. This is gonna throw an error, I feel it, but we'll just see. No? Alright. But that's not what I wanted. Because these are not the actual names. I guess. As this works. Trailer 3. Ooh! Yeah, that exists. I guess. I can put this in an if statement. Next, what was I checking? Oh yeah, the names. Mm-hmm. That's for both, alright. I wanted to actually just use the ID name instead of the actual stuff because it fits. Because exactly this reason. Although this would be a bit more friendly. This would make it fit instead. But name from what's the difference? Oh, I see. Get the vehicle. Model from name. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. MTA doesn't do the thing. Yeah, like Glen shit, exactly. Does it... Glen shit. Vehicle IDs. Yeah, it doesn't... Get model name. Get model name. What is this? that shouldn't be too hard to make if you can just find one online. There's an integer value. Like a vehicle, Sanders, vehicle IDs. Doesn't E Hates Games have that? This, sure. I guess I could. This is GTA 3, San Andreas, please. All of them. Is this sorted? No. No, it's not sorted. Oh, this is. Oh. Ooh. I'm gonna need an Excel sheet real quick. Yeah, that would work too. I have found a way. Random calculations. I have a Google spreadsheet that is just called random calculations, exactly for purposes like this. Delete this column. Delete these columns. And is this correct now? Gladden shit. Did they up the character count? No, they didn't. Oop. This is not where this goes, but for the time being, okay, you know what? New file, vehicle names dot pop. No quote with Glenn shit could be found. And then I just need to figure out how to make an array. There has to be a quicker way of doing that, but I don't know what it is. Excuse me. Just that. Boop. Equals. Put the comma at the end. Delete that comma because Lua is smart. Put one of these. Put chief. Tap that and then prepend it with vehicle names equals that. Boop. Gotta plop this in the thing. And we could probably also the other stuff in there, really. Script struct equals vehicle names dot lua. Type is above. That's just my client. Group script plop. Vehicle names. We client, no not we. Crane, no not crane, this one. And we wanted to vehicle name. Car name. What happened here? Well, it's fine. Get element model car names. Whoop. And I don't need those. Oops. Up. Oop. Teaching people model names, hell yeah, the way it's meant to be. I don't think we're teaching people model links. Error in the meta. Error reading attributes. Did I an oopsie? Do I need to do a refresh for the meta to work? No, but that isn't the issue, I don't think. But there has to be a better way of doing this. Looks good though. But results. Okay. Different thing. Hey, a map by Eddie V. Which map is this? Oh boy, let's not play it. Refresh. Float map. New erase super. Loading server blah blah blah. Unfinished string near EOF. Cool. It shouldn't matter, it just works. This always works. It works for all the other instances where I do it like this. Also, I'm still eye printing a shit ton of crap I don't no longer need. It should just work. It works like this, like when I have these medium planes in here in import clients.lua, and I just like do a raw medium planes in crane client.lua. Don't select it. And that works fine. But now when I do this, it is not having it. Yeah, I think it might be load order. But the 297 this one. 297. It could be load order. But this isn't called like right away anyway, so that shouldn't matter. See, that's why. Vehicle names. Coach, and I need to make sure that isn't shown during the countdown. Utiltra 1. Perfect. That should just be a Lua thing. Faela Kopkors Alpha. Yeah, that's 8. I thought it was 7, but 8 already looks so much longer. Farm 1. There's no 2, but yes. Linting. What's linting again? Checking for yeah. I didn't really enable anything like that. This is VS Code anyway. It doesn't actually. There's an error checker here, but yeah, it doesn't do anything. This does work, I think, if I start tapping C#. I'm not sure. I don't normally use VS Code for C#, so I don't know. Yeah, feel free to link me stuff. I'll look into that off stream though. I am pleased with this. Just need to move it so it's not overlapping, and I need to make it hide after a while. So this is called shouts at me for everything. Yeah, every little style error. I mean, that would be good practice to be made aware of that. I'm sure this is not pretty code. Race started already, gets set at some point. Pre-race. Did we start yet? Oh my god. This is like... Fuck is this? This is not did we start yet. This should be start now or something like that. What? Yes. Yeah, if it's yes. Wait, you okay. 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 And this just never gets set, like if you're not a new journey. Good variable. Shuffled cars. On client side? This isn't used anymore client side because it's handled server side. Off of here. Someone arrived at my monster truck. Should it say I have a trick for that, Sweetie Wolf. Just wait. What was it? Oh yeah, I wanted to make it so that it doesn't, the thing... Yeah, that's fine. There's nothing that really gets called when the race actually begins. I guess in the cutscene, right? There's a cutscene going on. Yeah. No. Hold on. Restart the race. This W. Let's default that race blurb. Blurb race. Blurb. Car blurb. Car blurb. Car blurb. Car blurb. Show car. Show car is false. Nice. There we go. Car blurb. Bam 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 bam. Show car equals true. Bloop. Why does that not work? Again. Yeah, it does say the buff 400 at the start. And this gets called. Do I need to? Oops. Do I need to call this during? Game start? It did, right? Because there was a thing that needed to be done. What else does this do other than everything? Just set some. It's the only thing is hide ramps. I think that's important. I have an epic track up my sleeve though. And that's going into the map file. And changing it there. These two. No. This is Hitman Blood Money. The previous one was Serious Sam 2. Okay, and now I can do the epic thing of not doing this in game start. Let's see if anything breaks. I have to re-enable the cutscene, but that looks good now. Now I just need to put a timer on the thing. Oei. Blurb. How long does farm trader take? Less than 8 seconds, right? Blurb. Show car, set timer. I'll just do a timer. I guess it won't work if I have the farm trailer. Oh, that one should be good. So maybe I can just make an exception for the farm trailer one. Local car height timer is 8 seconds, or is it in MS? It's in MS. We need that though. 8000. Function. We're going to show car is false. And this time, unless we are a farm terug. How long does farm terug take? Yeah, it's multiple like 20-second files. It wouldn't be too bad. I guess I could also just stitch them together myself, but I never got around to that. Farm through. I'm gonna hit the epic thing at 40 seconds. Oh! Just under 8 seconds. So I will just change this to 7 and don't need to make an exception. It's a minute. There is some variability in the crane though. That was longer than 8 seconds. Where is it? It's in cheat. Cheat server actually. Cheat skip. Cheat skip vehicle. Okay. I'm just gonna do the thing Put that at 8. I think 8. Maybe it doesn't need to stay. Let's just leave it. Put it at this for now. See how long it actually is. Maybe 8 is way too long anyway. It doesn't do the fade, but I cannot be bothered making that. I could probably get away with making it 6 and not have to bother. How long does it stay in single player? Does anyone know? At this point, I'm already not looking at it, right? Let's make it 6.5. Done. Now do the other epic thing. The other epic thing. Hey, right, from Suicide Machine, or Sui Machine nowadays. Thank you so much for the raid, Sui Machine. Okay. This goes in server. Yeah, Adina server. Just in the import-export server. Is that here? Yes. And just on resource start. This is still an unruly piece of code. Start the game. That's the other start game. Oh my god. And there goes something in here. Autosave, player leaving, player joining. Where is the actual start code? On race state changed. Here it is. When does this get called again? Oh, it does get... Okay, yeah. This is where it does go there. It's only there for like 4 seconds. Okay, 6.5 is good then. I need to stand up, take a shower, probably eat something. See ya, see you at the machine, enjoy your walk. Nice, Sui, Simreal. I don't know what it is, but that sounds epic. Alright, and going to this. I need to see how this works. You can't see this. Don't worry about it. Okay, apparently it just works like that. A current car. And car blurb. Car blurb. Car blurb. Set element data. Set element data. Who? Local player. What? The key. i.e. current car. Value. Car. Name. Synchronize. True. Boop. Right. And then we did a thing. This thing. And we need to do this. Remove. Let's test it. Restart. Oop. There we go. Now you can see what everyone is driving. You no longer need to ask. I don't know if that really inspires communication and like a community spirit. But we'll see. Also, does the stats vehicle functions get a vehicle? I also need to this manually get vehicle handling. What's it called in EH games? Vehicle standards. San Andreas, please. Aha, monetary. Get works, set is disabled, that is fine. Why do I put it? Just in case someone else decides to make a map that then works with this. But for this I think I'll have to just do it like this. But like if someone else makes like a variable called vehicle in that thing, it might interfere. I don't think it will here though. I can't just do it like this. Vehicle. Yeah, I'll disable the other ones that'll need IE. Alright. Okay, sure. I wanted to do something fun before I head off. And that goes... Sure, that goes in import export, and it's actually we're doing that in player stopped in marker. This just does trigger server event, which we'll have to then make into a separate function. I can do that function deliver a vehicle, and these are all the same. Oop. Copy that for now. Oop. Alright. Get player or element data whose local player, which, i.e. money. Yeah, that's it. And that's local score equals that. Score equals score plus, okay, damage is monetary is get vehicle handling whose v is get element get pet occupied vehicle whose mine v get vehicle handling v monetary damage is get element health in percentage, I guess, or in per that's in per millage. V times 0.01. Let's just do a diff. Score equals score plus damage. That makes sense, right? No, it doesn't make sense because a reward equals monetary times damage. Score equals score plus reward. Right, and then we need to do a thing again. Set element data mine score score. This one. What? Add a scoreboard. Score. Remove it. Score. Back here. Score. Let's test it. No score yet. CTPOP. Beep. I'm mildly disappointed. Score. Shit. TPOP. I'm mildly disappointed. Because we're not calling this yet. Explains a lot. Na 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 na. Why 1 out of 212 already? Right, good catch. Oops. Can we borrow that? Maybe round that. But yeah, okay. Update targets. This is the one we added, right? Okay. That seems to work, I guess. Okay, it does not seem to work. What? There's a baggage. Why? What is going on now? This is scoffed. Something here. I just have to build in an extra thing. Yeah, I see. What happens when I do this? It just works. No, it doesn't. And it's super messy in the code already. And then it's back to 1, so... I could just cheese it for the time being. I should probably just make a start game event, like a proper end of cutscene event. Kinda like did we start yet, but I don't fucking know what this does, so I'm not touching it. Like intro cutscene is here, game start. But this happens before the intro cutscene. I can re-enable the intro cutscene, but I want something after the cutscene. So let's just make that. Let's not be lazy. Cancel that. Function, post cutscene, and then this needs to really be renamed. This isn't even called. Okay, that makes pre-cutscene game start. Post cutscene game start. I want these. Oop. Post cutscene game start. And there was something else that I disabled that needs to be enabled again. Yeah, this. That's not needed anymore. But I do want it here. Reset delivery area, because that's our everything function, pretty much. I think that's it, actually. Oh, here's another pre-race. Lovely. Update target is no longer done then. Anything in here that we do need to do? Might as well. Have we already done that? Yeah, okay. And we want to call this sure, we don't need that. Score. That's fine. This is literally it. Okay, this should be fine. And I want to round my score. Reward is math.round Lua math round. Rounding numbers. Floor, I could just do floor, I don't really care. Or is it just math round? Outer round. Okay, we'll just floor it. It's fine. That's fine. Help. In what order should I play GTA 3 Trilogy? It's a good question. Maybe not 3 VCSA, but maybe you should. I think you should give 3 a try. Not necessarily finish it. Then move to VC. Then SA. And then go back to 3 unless you've already finished 3. I think that would be my answer. And what else was I doing? That's it, I think. Right, we need to show the thing. Car blurb, show car height timer. I guess we don't no longer need this. 6500. Up. Post cutscene. Whoop. Why did that not just show up anyway? This is even called? Even called, yo? Nope. I print called here then. Before 6? Yeah, I'll stick by my answer. 3. If you finish 3, cool. If not, then move on. And have Vice City, you'll probably want to finish for City and then come back for 3. But release order is pretty good. But 3 is a bit dated, but it's still good. You might wanna do that one first anyway though. Yeah, I don't know. Why does this not work? What was this before? Big target. There we go. I move the text, right? Ui client. Show card, about the text, screen width, screen height, move that lower, boop. Move that here. Yeah, makes sense. Oh, it is perfectly placed. I hope. How does that look on your end, Speedy? Is he even here still? Whatever, we'll find out. I think that is good. And then if you hand something in, you get money. And I'll actually change it to money. Alright, what's your monetary value works for this? Looks the same as yours, perfect. Yeah. I'll change the score to money. Money. Just as a little fun thing. Oh, and I already get money, okay. That's my previous value, right? Chief. Oh, it's still, yeah. Because of this. It's weird that you can use both single and double brackets, and it's all the same to the thing. It's a bit annoying. Strings, you just get double brackets. Money. Money! Now it doesn't remove the thing. Oh, it did. There we go. Okay. And then I wanted to go into server. Yeah, Adina server. Change this back to 29. Cutscene. Cutscene. Intro cutscene. Alright, so let's do. I'm done with this for today. Let me push and then we'll do just a 5-car race or something to wrap it up. Oh, and I didn't push anything in the meantime. What else did we do? Okay, we made scoreboard, show cars plus money, show car in UI, HUD overlay when appearing in. One thing I need to test, die. Cool, I guess. Many. What else did we do? We fixed bugs with crane. Made the 80 ramp work. What else did we do? 80 ramp work again. I think that's it. Really. Yeah, that's it. Commit and push. Bum 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 beatum boom 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 boom. I love that too, Jaya. Let's do a fiver. If Wolf is here. He's idle. But let's do a fiver and then I'm off. Fiver. There's still work to do on. We need to fix the autosave. The autosave is important. That will be on the menu for next time, I guess. Ooh, the water is funky in this. We'll see how it goes. I'm dead. We go here. I went for Speedy Wolf's blip. I think I might make the blip red again. Or maybe just bright yellow, I don't know. Come on. I wonder how much the bicycle is worth. Oh, that's an expensive bicycle. A mountain, even a mountain bike isn't that much, right? Like 1,000 maybe, especially not in this age. Maybe I'll do like a generic divide by 100 or by 10. Anyway, we'll see. Oh, here's a tug. Oh wow, a tug is a lot of money. I think I'll do a generic like divide by 100 or by 10. Because that's a ridiculous amount of money. I guess a tug would be like... I guess a tug would be that amount in... Yeah, okay. But a mountain bike. I got here, that's... Hey, tug. Oh, and then the fire truck is like dog shit. Alright. No, it's fine. And Infernus is 95k, I think. Ooh, he's like 10 money ahead of me, and I sort that. Let me sort that by how it's meant to be sorted. There we go. The arrow is an up triangle pointing like up for money, but should be pointing down for this. Like the fat, like the big number should be at the top. So the fat base should be at the top, and then the tiny tip, i.e. 0, would be at the bottom. A stretch. Yeah, some of the surprise is gone now, right? Like, you can just see what others have. I don't know what to do about it. Maybe, like, only set the vehicle once they get close to the compound or something. I don't know, I don't know. Maybe show the previous vehicle that it just... you'd still get... I don't know. Here he comes. Hey, don't do that. His color scheme is the exact opposite of mine. Is that a bug or is that just coincidence? Still in his fire truck. Is it a simultaneous arrival? Not really. Boop, beep, boop, boop. 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 Oh! I don't know what the route back from here is. Like, what is the best route? I guess. Okay, he's going over there. I'm gonna say over here. We'll see on the other end, Speedy Wolf. May the best route win. Not if I drive like this. He's going, okay, he's taking the same route after all. I'm gonna let him catch up. And then take, because there's like a split here, I'm gonna take the route he isn't. Yeah, our car colors are perfectly inverted. Okay, he's going left. That was my idea. Instead, I'm gonna do reverse trucking route. If I drive like this and lose all my speed on the train tracks, that's good. I think he is, ooh, but we'll be approaching from different bridges. Ooh, I'm not sure. Did you not flip your vehicle? No, you didn't. Okay, good. Reverse trucking route. This is a bit of an awkward like turn. You can make it up this hill quite easily. He has the advantage of being able to haul straight into the compound, but I think I have the shorter route here. Oh, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. He has the advantage. He can just haul straight into it. I have to make a U-turn. I think he has this. Unless he spins out, but it's the route that matters. Oh! No! No! Yeah, you see, he has the advantage of being able to just haul straight into it. How was your driving, Speedy Wolf? That was good science. My driving, I spun out. I'm assuming Speedy Wolf spun out, right? Statistically. This is just a fake checkpoint, isn't it? Grove Street? What is the best way through groceries from here? I guess, yeah, okay. Yeah, what the map names are just counting up from 0 to like 8,000 something. And they're the old like MTA, like 1.0, like the race only MTA from 2005 maps. just from the map database that they didn't back up the MTA team. You should have backed up your map database, because that's all now lost. But this was a backup, but it didn't back up the map names. Or the office, for that matter. Some of them it did, but not all. And also I wanted to take the other roads, because we're not Fleischberging. So it's just like the upload order. So this is just the 2984th map ever uploaded on the internet. He's ahead of me, but by a little. He's on the big room now. He's gonna get on. Yeah, he has this. With that lead. Missed my turn. Oh, the checkpoint isn't fake. Oh. Cool. Thanks for testing, Speedy Wolf. I'll have to do more of that. But for now, that will satisfy me. Tomorrow is maybe Catane Day. Depends on Walian. If not, then I guess I'll do more of this. Saturday, I'm doing Vice City race against Menno. That's it for announcements. I'd have to look at my own schedule to see the rest of the week. But yeah, that's up. Saturday is a longer stream then. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.